Kamusta, Mga Ka Guard. Welcome back to Pinoy Guard, your go-to channel for everything related to defense, security, and the latest developments in the Philippines and its surrounding areas. I'm Guard, and today, we have an exciting episode that has been eagerly awaited. In the era of global security tensions, strategic steps to strengthen defense capabilities become crucial for every country. Recently, an interesting proposal has emerged from the Japanese government, expressing their willingness to sell retired F15J, DJ fighter jets to the Philippine government. This offer comes in the context of replacing the fourth-generation F-15 fighters with the introduction of the F-35A by the Japanese Air Self-Defense Force. Alongside a series of defense and geopolitical plans, the Philippines faces an urgent need for improved air defense capabilities. However, before deciding on this course of action, the Philippines must carefully consider various aspects, ranging from the condition of the aircraft to its impact on the defense budget. But before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss the latest updates from us. We're building an informed and vigilant community, the Pinoy Guard family. The Japanese government recently proposed to sell retired F-15J, DJ fighter jets from the Japanese Air Self-Defense Force, JASDF, to the Philippine government. This proposal was put forward by senior officials from the Japanese Ministry of Defense in a meeting with Philippine Defense Secretary Delfin Lorenzana last month. The F-15J, DJ is a variant of the F-15 Eagle specifically produced for the JASDF. This fourth-generation fighter has been in operation in Japan for over 30 years. However, with the JASDF transitioning to the F-35A, some F-15J, DJ aircraft are set to be retired alongside the introduction of the F-35A. It is estimated that around 60 F-15 units will be retired by the JASDF by 2025. Consequently, the Japanese government plans to offer some of these retired F-15J, DJ aircraft to the Philippines. According to officials from the Japanese Ministry of Defense, the F-15 still maintains good operational capability despite its age. The Philippines is seen as needing fourth-generation fighter aircraft to enhance its air defense capabilities. Currently, the Philippines only possesses a fleet of third-generation fighter aircraft in the form of aging F-5 Tigers and OV-10 Broncos. These aircraft are not well equipped to counter the threats posed by advanced Chinese fighter jets frequently seen in the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone, EEZ. The Japanese government recently proposed to sell retired F-15J, DJ fighter jets from the Japanese Air Self-Defense Force, JASDF, to the Philippine government. This proposal was put forward by senior officials from the Japanese Ministry of Defense in a meeting with Philippine Defense Secretary Delfin Lorenzana last month. The F-15J, DJ is a variant of the F-15 Eagle specifically produced for the JASDF. This fourth-generation fighter has been in operation in Japan for over 30 years. However, with the JASDF transitioning to the F-35A, some F-15J, DJ aircraft are set to be retired alongside the introduction of the F-35A. It is estimated that around 60 F-15 units will be retired by the JASDF by 2025. Consequently, the Japanese government plans to offer some of these retired F-15J, DJ aircraft to the Philippines. According to officials from the Japanese Ministry of Defense, the F-15 still maintains good operational capability despite its age. The Philippines is seen as needing fourth-generation fighter aircraft to enhance its air defense capabilities. Currently, the Philippines only possesses a fleet of third-generation fighter aircraft in the form of aging F-5 Tigers and OV-10 Broncos. These aircraft are not well equipped to counter the threats posed by advanced Chinese fighter jets frequently seen in the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone, EEZ. Furthermore, the air capabilities of the Philippines need enhancement as the joint Philippines-U.S. military bases in Subic Bay and Clark are set to operate by 2022. With a fleet of retired F-15s, it is expected that the air capabilities of the Philippines can significantly improve. The F-15J, DJ is a multi-role fighter capable of executing various missions such as air superiority, air interdiction, reconnaissance, and close air support. Here are the main specifications of the F15J DJ. Powerful engine performance. Equipped with 2X Pratt & Whitney F100PW100 afterburning turbofan engines. Thrust capabilities of 2x127 kN in dry mode and 2x232 kN in afterburner mode. Enables the F15J DJ to achieve a maximum speed of Mach 2.5, 2,495 km per hour, providing exceptional agility and maneuverability. Extended operational range. Boasts a range of 3,110 kilometers, allowing for effective deployment over a considerable distance. This extended range enhances the aircraft's versatility in performing various mission types, including air superiority, interdiction, reconnaissance, and close air support. Versatile weapons payload. Armed with one XM61 Vulcan 20mm cannon, providing close-range firepower. Capable of carrying various missiles and bombs, offering flexibility in engaging both air and ground targets. This versatility allows the F15J DJ to adapt to different combat scenarios, making it a true multi-role fighter. Advanced radar systems. Features sophisticated radar systems, including the AN/APG-63V1 or AN/APG-70. Pulse Doppler radar technology enables the detection of air and ground targets from significant distances, providing a crucial advantage in situational awareness and air surveillance. Durable and maneuverable design. With a length of 19.43 meters and a wingspan of 13.1 meters, the F15J DJ exhibits a well-balanced design for both stability and agility. The aircraft's robust structure, including the use of strong titanium materials, contributes to its durability and capability to withstand high-stress maneuvers. Cost-effective operations. Despite being a fourth-generation aircraft, the F15J DJ offers relatively low operating costs compared to newer generations. Maintains fuel efficiency and ease of maintenance, contributing to cost-effectiveness throughout its operational life. Technological superiority. Incorporates advanced avionics and electronic systems, including heads-up display, HUD, defensive avionics system, DAS, and radar multimode capabilities. Stays technologically competitive, ensuring the F15J DJ remains at the forefront of military aviation. Some of the key strengths of the F15J DJ that make it a formidable fighter jet include powerful engine thrust enabling supersonic flight and high agility, making it superior in dogfights. Equipped with the advanced pulse Doppler radar AN/APG-6370, it's capable of detecting air and ground targets from a distance, providing an advantage in air surveillance. Large internal and external weapon carrying capacity, up to 8 tons. The F-15 can carry various long-range air-to-air missiles such as AIM-120 AMRAAM and AIM-7 Sparrow. Structural body design using strong titanium materials, durable against high G-force maneuvers, providing exceptional endurance. Advanced avionics and electronic systems, including HUD, DAS, multimode radar, and new missile types, keeping the F-15 technologically superior. Relatively low operating costs compared to fifth-generation aircraft like the F-22 and F-35. Despite its age, the F-15 is fuel-efficient and easy to maintain. Evaluation of the Japanese offer based on the specifications above. The offer to sell retired F-15J DJ aircraft from Japan is considered quite appealing to the Philippines. Although these aircraft are 30 to 40 years old, they are estimated to remain operational for another 15 to 20 years after undergoing maintenance and modernization. The selling price of F15J DJ is expected to be much lower than that of new fourth-generation aircraft like the F-16 and Eurofighter Typhoon. Lower operating and maintenance costs are also advantages. Meanwhile, the combat capabilities of the F15J DJ are believed to significantly enhance the air defense of the Philippines. However, there are still several considerations that the Philippines needs to take into account, such as the physical condition and avionics systems of the purchased F15J DJ need to be evaluated first. Availability of spare parts and technical support from Japan must be ensured. Modernization and development costs need to be carefully calculated. compatibility of weapons and systems with other Philippine air assets, preparation of pilots, technicians, and adequate supporting infrastructure. The impact of acquiring F15J, DJ on the Philippine defense budget. If all evaluations are met, then the offer of retired F15J, DJ from Japan is a viable option to enhance the air defense capabilities of the Philippines in the future. However, the Philippine government needs to carefully consider before making a decision. As a transparent decision-making curtain, the sale of F15J, DJ fighter jets from Japan to the Philippines presents a strategic opportunity to strengthen the air defense of the country. Despite offering significant advantages, the Philippines faces a complex task in conducting a thorough evaluation and ensuring readiness for this new era. The physical condition of the aircraft, technical support, and financial impacts must be carefully considered. Overall, this step is not just a material improvement but also an investment in regional security and stability. Wisely, the Philippines can ensure that the chosen option will form a solid foundation for the future defense of the nation. Sa Pinoy Guard, Hindi lang balita, puro ang buong kwento. It's not just news but the whole story. We don't just provide news but the complete narrative. From military technology reviews to in-depth analysis, we've got it all prepared. And hey, if you have suggestions or topics you'd like us to explore, leave a comment below. We want to hear your opinions.